This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the clamshell box. I have glued on all the panel pieces already because those are pretty straightforward, and so the pieces, we've got this one piece because it's a clamshell box. This piece here could be cut with the panel pieces from the bottom or the top, whichever one you prefer. If you want to, you could cut one of each and you can glue this one over the bottom one, and then you'd have both the top and the bottom. If that was something you would want to do, that would work. So right now I'm just going to fold all my pieces so I can start forming the box. We're just going to fold all these tabs over. I don't know which would be easier to do first, the top or the bottom. I don't know if it would really make very much difference. I'm just going to kind of feel how this feels and then make my decision. And I would guess whether I decide to do the top or the bottom first, these three pieces I will do last after the top and the bottom are both done, because I don't know if those will get in my way or not. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and start here on the bottom. But before I start that, I am going to put together, at least just put this piece on. So I want to look at where the box connects. So this will be the front. That's why I've oriented my picture this way. And these pieces, I've glued these together, front and back. I just glued these two pieces. And I'm going to use my domes for this. It's going to glue right around that edge. If you don't have these domes, just cut like 5 or 6 of these solid pieces and build it up if you want the shaker window on the top, and then you'll have enough depth. And then you need to cut a solid one to put underneath so that you have the seal, so it's sealed shut. And that one is in the file. That's what that piece is for. There's a solid one of these without a hole cut in the center, and that's for your clear, right now I can't think of, acetate, okay, for your shaker. But I have glued these together, and now I'm going to glue this piece on. I did just fill my glue bottle, so it might start acting up as it fills in air bubbles, so I hope it's going to behave. Yep, there it just went. Okay. So I'm going to line it up here with the hinges and then make sure I'm lined up around the circumference. Okay, there we are, just like that. And then I can just glue this down flat. Now if you wanted to try to cut the foam tape to raise this up, you could do that. I think it'd be easier just to cut the multiple layers. And then I'm going to just glue this right in place. I'm not going to put the dome on until I get the box assembled. And this little piece is like, you know, the latch on a porthole that you turn to open and close it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that underneath this dome, but I'm putting it on just in case. And then we're just going to start putting the box together. And just like I said on the bottom, I'm gonna wait for the very last two pieces until I have this all assembled, all the rest of it assembled. Okay. So you're just lining that, oops, right up to the score line. Make sure to push it down all the way around, up top to bottom. I'm making sure that I get this very bottom so that it's not bulging out there at the bottom. So the hexagon piece for the bottom I put on the inside of my box, and the hexagon piece for the top I put on the top. If you want a decorative piece on the very bottom and on the inside of the top, just cut a second one of those pieces and you can add that on. Okay. Now I am going to, I've got, what is this called? Pink Champagne Sparkle Gems. This is from a shop called This Calls for Confetti. I really like her confetti. Oh, goodness. I'm just going to shake a good bit of this in there. The nice thing about these domes is that they have a taped edge already. Oh, and as you can see, yes, my little lever there does show. Wasn't sure how far over this would come. There we go, there's the shaker top. And now let's go ahead and put, I'm going to do the lid and then I'm going to do the bottom. So I would say that yes, waiting to do this piece here will make a difference. I could just feel that just now when I was when I was holding it up together, because this allows you some movement, and if you were to glue that all the way down at the beginning, you wouldn't have some of the movement you need to get the rest of this put together nicely. Okay, so I would suggest waiting on these last few pieces so that you can more easily get this box put together. I'm going to put glue on these last two pieces at the same time so that I don't make a glue mess inside my box. Go. Again, make sure you get it all the way to your score line so that your box will close. There we go. Pinch that together real good right there. It's sticking to my fingers. And then you just got to squeeze it just a little to get it to close. And there's your box with your cute little scene inside. And this is the clamshell box. Thank you for joining me.